Every bottle of Coca-Cola starts with ultra-pure water. In the factory's advanced treatment plant, water undergoes rigorous filtration, softening, and sterilization to remove all impurities, ensuring it meets the highest quality standards before mixing. The heart of Coca-Cola's taste is the secret concentrate shipped in secure containers. It is precisely blended with sugar syrup in massive tanks, creating the signature flavored base under strict quality control. The concentrated syrup is mixed with treated water in precise proportions inside automated blending systems, creating the base beverage ready for carbonation. Under controlled low temperature and high pressure, carbon dioxide is injected to give Coca-Cola its iconic fizz and refreshing taste. This step is precisely calibrated for perfect carbonation levels. Bottles and cans are thoroughly cleaned and rinsed with purified water in high-speed washers to ensure complete hygiene before filling. On the high-speed filling line, carbonated Coca-Cola is dispensed into bottles and cans with incredible precision, maintaining the perfect level and carbonation. Immediately after filling, bottles are capped and cans are sealed airtight to lock in the freshness and carbonation. Labels are applied, production codes printed, and automated cameras inspect every bottle and can for quality before packaging. Every batch undergoes strict quality checks before storage and shipping, ensuring every Coca-Cola you enjoy meets the highest standards.